Hot flashes, check. Night sweats, check. Insomnia, mood swings, low libido, weight gain. It sure seemed like menopause, so hormone replacement therapy, HRT, or progesterone cream seemed like the obvious answer. So why isn't it working, or why are you having so many side effects? Well, that's what we'll be talking about in today's video, so stick around. Hi, I'm Dana LaVoie, an acupuncturist and herbalist and founder of Menopause Basics. And for 15 years, I've been helping women use natural remedies to balance hormones so they can have an easier menopause and feel great afterwards. And before we jump right into why your HRT might not be working, I want to ask you a quick question. How many of you thought that hormones seemed like the obvious answer? So you gave it a try and your symptoms got worse, or you developed new symptoms, or you gained more weight. Well, I know hands are going up because I see this all the time. At the end of today's video, I'm going to invite you to sign up for a free copy of my Menopausal Woman's Roadmap so you can learn even more about exactly what to eat during and after menopause to boost, balance, and detoxify your hormones naturally. And I'll give you more details later, but for now, let's get started. I've worked with women in menopause for 15 years, and I've seen so many women who are on HRT or who had tried hormones and who are still having lots of menopausal symptoms and woes because hormones alone are just not the whole answer. No one tells you this, so don't feel badly if you made this mistake, but hormones don't work in a vacuum. But once you know what to do to support use of hormones, you'll be able to do it easily, and then you'll get better results and less side effects. Here's how it works. When you're having menopausal symptoms, it's generally for one of two reasons. Your hormone levels are dropping too low, or your hormones are out of balance with each other. So for instance, if one of them drops really low, really fast, and another one stays kind of high, this unevenness is what causes a lot of symptoms. It's your ratio between your estrogen and progesterone is off or something like that. So what has to happen in your body to relieve symptoms? Your body has to be able to bring your hormones back into balance or bring your hormone levels up. So to be able to do this, your body has to be able to, one, make more of hormones that have dropped too low and send them to the right place, right? Number two, your body needs to be able to get rid of some of the hormones that have stayed too high, causing an imbalance. And three, your body has to coordinate this. It has to recognize what's out of balance and send out the right signals at the right times, telling your body, make more of this one and get rid of some of this one. So your body needs to be able to do three things for you to feel better. Make hormones and use them properly, get rid of extra hormones, and send out the right signals at the right times. Where does hormone replacement therapy fit into this? Well, HRT, hormone replacement therapy, is giving your body pre-made hormones that it can use to boost up hormone levels that are too low. But if your body isn't sending out the right signals, it doesn't know what to do with these extra hormones. And your body needs little vitamins and cofactors to be able to use those new hormones properly. So you could have a low hormone level and now you have more hormones, but if no one says, look, we need you to go right over here and we need to make this little modification so you can fit into this slot, you won't get benefit from those new hormones, so you won't get relief or results. And your body still has to be able to get rid of any extra hormones, right? Not only build up the low ones, but get rid of some of the high ones. The HRT helps you boost up the low ones. It does not bring down the high levels. And think about it. When you're taking hormones, you're pouring more hormones into your system. And occasionally, you're bound to get too much of some of them. So you want to be sure that your body's ability to get rid of any extra hormones is working really well, especially when you're taking hormones. And if you get side effects from hormone replacement therapy, it's often because one of the hormone levels is too high, right? There's too many hormones floating around, not going to the right place, not getting detoxified. That's what can cause some of the problems and side effects. So making sure your body is detoxing hormones really well helps avoid hormone side effects from HRT and makes it safer. So, what can you do to make sure that your body is sending out the right signals, making proper use of the new hormones, and detoxing extra hormones really well? Because this will help you get the best results and the least side effects from your HRT. The number one thing you want to do is support your HRT with the right diet. And here's why. To detox extra hormones, you need a really healthy bowel movement every day and healthy liver function. And neither of those is going to happen without lots of the right fruits, vegetables, water, and a few key superfoods are helpful too, especially for the liver. So to make use of your new hormones, you want to make sure you have plenty of cofactors on hand, those special little building blocks that come from fruits and vegetables, healthy fats like nuts and seeds, right? These are so important. You want to make sure that plenty of those are available when needed. And to help your body send out the right signals at the right times, one of the easiest ways to support this is by evening out your blood sugar. So eating at regular intervals throughout the day and including protein and healthy fat at every meal and snack can help with this a lot. So, to get the most benefit and the least side effects from your hormone replacement therapy, support that with the right diet. You want to eat lots of fruits and vegetables and menopause superfoods like flax seeds. There are some other great ones to keep the liver and bowel movements healthy for hormone detoxification. And eating protein and healthy fat regularly throughout the day helps even out your blood sugar to balance your whole endocrine system, helping it to send out the right signals at the right times. So I hope that you will give this a try if you are taking hormones. If you're not, doing these things helps your body balance hormones naturally. So you might find that you don't even need to take hormones. And if you enjoyed this video, I invite you to click the link below to sign up for your free copy of my Menopausal Woman's Roadmap. It's a free download. It'll give you 5 easy to follow steps on what to eat every day to set you up for relief from menopausal symptoms, natural hormonal balance. It'll help support your HRT. And it also has the top 3 mistakes I see women making during menopause and how to fix them. I'm also the host of a Facebook group called Menopause Basics. I'll leave a link in the comments below where you can join instantly. If you have any questions, pop them into the Facebook group and tag me. Lots of the best discussions about these videos go on over there. Or if you're watching on YouTube, definitely join me over there or pop your questions into the comments below the video and I'll see them there too. Anyway, I'm Dana LaVoie, an acupuncturist and herbalist and founder of Menopause Basics. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.